Day in the crafty cooking life of the second best worst YouTuber. Diamond painting, crafty, not artistic, crazy cat lady. Welcome to my day in the crafty cooking life. Second best worst YouTuber, somehow doing it right. Diamond painting nights, drills on my hands. Crafty, not artistic, but I've always got a plan. Crazy cat lady with the camera in her hand. Come hang out and see the mess I accidentally planned. Learning to love myself, crown getting polished bright. Working on my glow, becoming the queen I know I am inside. Please like and subscribe to this Hot Mess Express.
Hey y'all, I figured that since I was on here for a few minutes, got a few more minutes before I have to leave the house. You heard it here first. I am getting back into pottery. Yay! So I have a lot of unboxings. I've been getting things and setting them to the side and just so I can show you what I've been getting, because it's fun to unbox stuff with y'all. So I have two boxes on the floor, two large boxes on the floor. And then I have some bags over here of menage a hodgepodge of stuff, really. So I thought we would do some show and tell. So since I'm getting back into pottery, I looked on Etsy and I got this. It's really cute. It's a cookie cutter and a press. You can use it on clay. And this came from the cookiecutterlady.com on Etsy. I love the fact that it has a little handle. And it's awesome. It's awesome. I can't wait to use it. Because, somebody who likes trains. Something else. It came very interesting. Okay, so make sure I'm not showing the, yeah. So it was in this bag. This bag was in this bag. Liquid latex. It's liquid body latex paint stuff. And I saw a video where you can put this on the bottom of your pottery when you get ready to glaze it. And after you glaze it, you just peel this off and then you don't have to worry about glaze on the bottom of your stuff. So we're going to try that out. It's going to be a tryout. We're going to see. And I ordered this during Amazon Prime days. I got this. Let me unwrap it for you. It's really well wrapped, I must say. Had this around the one part. But see, you put your items on it when you get ready to glaze, and you can turn it without having to pick it up. And I have someone's attention over here. You can't see Bobby Ray. Y'all haven't met the Wonky Donkey Cat. Yes, I have a Wonky Donkey Bobby Ray. Where am I gonna put this? I don't know. Let's put it up here right now. So I got that off of Amazon. It was like $24. Come here. Come here. This is Bobby Ray. He is the Wonky Donkey Cat. He has one eye. Say hi. And he has no tail. No. That. Okay. Now, this is the shampoo that my hairstylist, Jenny, at Cut and Loose, uses on my hair. And they had these for $20 off. These are like over $55 normally. And for Prime days, they were like 35, 36. So I had to get the shampoo and the conditioner for my hair. Then, so birthday present. Shh, don't tell. I got the Disney Perk. This is Jack Skellington for a friend of mine for her birthday. I've already wrapped Hey Hey for my other friend. And I've already put Eeyore for me in the other room. But you see, this piece comes off. I know, second best worst YouTuber ever. Come on, there you go. So this piece comes off, and you put it on your shoulder under your shirt, and then you sit Jack on it, and it makes him look like he is sitting on your shoulder. So cute. But I actually got 3 of these. I got 3. This is Laurel's because she loves Nightmare Before Christmas. I got my friend Kathy Hey Hey because she loves Hey Hey. And I got me Eeyore. And I also have Olaf, but I bought him a while ago. All right, that's all in that one. Now, I have also been loving the Five Below blind boxes. Let me show you. I got Snape in a blind box, a Harry Potter blind box. Then I got these 2 in a Disney cat blind boxes. I'll have more. You'll see me open those. You didn't see me open these because that was just an awful video. Oh, you know those dumplings that everybody talks about? They had them. They had them. I love the face. I love the face. So it just sits, you know. Love it. I also got another one. I like the color of this one. But I don't, orange is not my favorite color. Okay. We'll be doing some blind boxes from Five Below very shortly. And I can tell you how much these were. I don't have Amazon open. I don't have Amazon open, so I can't tell you exactly how much the body latex and the stuff was. And I don't have Etsy open either. But I happen to have the receipt for these blind boxes. And the dumplings, well, all of them were $5, including this Maleficent pen. Because y'all know I love Maleficent. Had to have it. So, okay. So there's an unboxing of some of the things that I've been getting. I love cats. Y'all know I love cats. I got to find a place for these. I really do. Right now we're just going to put Snape overlooking the cats. He looks so thrilled to watch the cats. Okay, so I got to go because I'm going to go play with some clay. Bye, y'all.
Thanks for adding the Hot Mess Express when we